Did you know that the global ginger market is projected to reach $8.46 billion by 2027? This ancient root is making a massive comeback, and for good reason. Today, we're diving into the surprising power of ginger and how it can revolutionize your health. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nutrition 12. In today's video, we're exploring the incredible world of ginger. This unassuming root has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but modern science is now backing up its amazing health benefits. The science behind ginger. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogols. These bioactive ingredients are responsible for most of ginger's medicinal properties. Recent studies have shown that these compounds have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Let us now look into the health benefits. Digestive aid. Ginger is famous for its ability to soothe an upset stomach. It can help with nausea, morning sickness, and even chemotherapy-induced nausea. Pain relief. New research suggests that ginger can be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing menstrual pain. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help with conditions like osteoarthritis, reducing pain and improving function. Blood sugar control. A 2022 study found that ginger supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Heart health. Ginger may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Brain function. Emerging research indicates that ginger might improve cognitive function and protect against Alzheimer's disease. How to use ginger. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate ginger into your daily life. 1. Ginger tea. Simply steep sliced, fresh ginger in hot water for a soothing drink. 2. Cooking. Add grated ginger to stir-fries, soups, or marinades for an extra kick of flavor and health benefits. 3. Smoothies. Throw a chunk of fresh ginger into your morning smoothie for a zesty boost. 4. Ginger shots. For the brave, try a concentrated shot of ginger juice mixed with lemon and honey. 5. Supplements. Ginger capsules or gummies are available for those who want a convenient option. 6. Ginger-infused water. Add sliced ginger to your water bottle for a refreshing, health-boosting drink throughout the day. Precautions to be taken. While ginger is generally safe, it's important to note that high doses may cause side effects like heartburn or digestive discomfort. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. From aiding digestion to potentially boosting brain function, ginger truly is a powerhouse of health benefits. Its versatility in the kitchen and ease of use make it a no-brainer addition to your daily routine. Have you experienced the benefits of ginger? Share your favorite way to use ginger in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more natural health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and spice up your life with ginger.